Yes, my people, good day. Take a look at this. Working on the Honda Odyssey. So I put a new thermostat in here. It's a little bit tricky, but not too bad. When going back together, look further down and take a look at that. You know what this is? This is your ground. I can't send this lady out like that. With a condition like that, what that will do for you is you're going to have issues now with starting. You go to start and you're like enough amps not getting to the starter, not enough current getting to the starter. And it's because you're having now a faulty ground. She might not be experiencing it yet, but it is on the way. If I can head it off at the pass, I'll head it off at the pass. It's just one of them things. I can't let this go. All right? Just over time, vibration and corrosion get to it and brittle it up. Let me see how far this green stuff, because that green stuff is not good for the wire. That is the corrosion.
Careful with the razor, don't cut your finger open like how we're trying to cut open this harness. The conductor look a lot better than I thought. It's a little bit frayed, but the corrosion didn't go too far. Cut that end off.
Dispose of it appropriately.
Just like that, and put on a new eyelet. It's a 2-aught. Then I break out my handheld, handy dandy Harbor Freight crimper tool that makes the connection end look real nice and professional. It's a little bit tough to pump, but you can pump it, man. Pump it up. And see it there, just release it, pull it out. Look on it. Look how beautiful it look. Look. That me I talk about. Then we get some electrical tape, wrap up everything nice. Moisture is your enemy, so try to keep it out. Now look at that.
Looks a lot better. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah.